Welcome to the Honeywell Digital Ceramic Tower Heater product overview. In this video, we'll be going over the key features of the product, safety features and tips when setting up, and how to operate and maintain this unit. Feel free to skip to any of the on-screen time codes to find the section you're looking for. The Honeywell Digital Ceramic Tower Heater offers a safe and convenient means of delivering a steady flow of heat. The top of the heater presents easy-to-use digital controls with a large LCD temperature display. The slim, space-saving modern design fits any home decor to provide quick and easy personal warmth with the powerful ceramic heating technology. The wide-range oscillation lets you move heat into wide areas of space, making this tower heater an excellent addition to medium to large-size rooms. The HCE322V comes with a robust set of safety features including cool-to-the-touch housing with a handle, a 4-way tip-over switch that will disable the heater if it's accidentally tipped in any direction, a high-temperature safety control prevents overheating, and a thermal cutoff fuse will permanently shut down the heater should it operate at a higher than normal temperature. When setting up your heater, there is no assembly required. Simply unpack the heater. Start by placing the heater on a firm, level, open surface free from obstruction and at least 3 feet away from any wall or combustible material, and you're set to start using your heater. Be sure not to use any unstable surface such as bedding or deep carpeting, and keep it in a location that will not be tipped over by children or pets. To move the heater, simply turn off the heater, allow it to cool for 10 minutes, and finally, unplug and move the heater to the new location using the recessed convenient carrying handle on the back. The top of the heater has easy-to-reach digital controls to control your heater. There you will find the power button, 2 heat settings including max heat and energy saving mode, an oscillation button, an energy-efficient programmable thermostat, and a 1 to 8 hour automatic shutoff timer. To turn on your heater, press the power button to the left. The indicator will light and the heater will start in the constant on high level setting. For constant heating, select between either low or high options using the heat level settings button. To set the thermostat, press the thermostat control buttons and choose your desired temperature. The desired temperature will flash 5 times, and then the current temperature in the room will be displayed as a steady red. If the current temperature is higher than your desired temperature, the heater will turn off until the room temperature falls below this setting or until the desired temperature is changed. To change between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the thermostat, simply press and hold both thermostat control buttons for 3 seconds to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius and back. If you'd like to set up a timer for your heater, press the timer button to select 1, 2, 4, or 8 hour settings. The heater will run for that chosen period in the selected mode, counting down the hours and automatically shutting off after the desired time has passed. The inclusion of a permanent filter even helps prevent dust and particles from entering your heater. Periodic cleaning of the filter is recommended. To clean your filter, start by turning off and unplugging the unit. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Next, remove the filter cover and clean or vacuum the filter. Once done, replace the permanent filter. The Honeywell HCE322V comes with a 3-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.